Buenas noches, señoras and señoritas. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arend Bleumink. I'm the Payment Integration Manager for Verge currency. I work with companies to provide integration and with exchanges as well to help them enlarge Verge and reach more partnerships. It's actually my birthday today. I turned 20. And I'm studying cognitive science and artificial intelligence in the Netherlands. So this is the outline of my presentation. I will start with a project introduction, then talking about why privacy matters, community aspect. With a currency you need payment integration. I will talk about Verge in practice and we'll close off with the roadmap. So project introduction. Verge is a non-ICO open source currency. We didn't have a pre-mine as well, so we completed self-funded. The project started in 2014. It was then called Dogecoin Dark, and later on it was rebranded to Verge. So we have a core team of 39 people working as volunteers for the project to get it more adapted and developed within time. Some technical details. We are proof of work currency. We support multi-algorithms because it allows for equal access to mining the coins. We have a block time of 30 seconds. We can handle up to 100 transactions per second. We will have RSK smart contracts integrated, hopefully beginning of next year. And then we will be able to scale up to 2,000 transactions a second. We have really low fees, 0.1 XVG, which is around $0.0015. So privacy. What is the definition of privacy? The definition of privacy is a state in which one is not observed or disturbed by other people. It is not a secret that privacy is an important topic in cryptocurrencies these days, given the fact that Bitcoin isn't as private as it seems. For instance, when you transact with Verge, with Bitcoin, you are able to view what IP address it was sent from, and we've improved upon that. We started with integrating Tor into our wallets. So for those of you who don't know what Tor is a project that was founded by the US government, and it is now an open source project as well. So whenever you want to reach out to a server and you use a Tor protocol, it will bounce, the connection will bounce back through different Tor routers before hitting the server you want to go to. So one of the first steps in providing our user base with additional privacy features was to integrate stealth addressing onto our blockchain. Stealth addressing provides additional protection to the receiving party when transacting with Verge. So it will allow you to create a one-time random generated address to send funds to. So first of all, I would like to give a big shout out to our community. We have one of the largest communities out there with around 800,000 people worldwide. And a community with an open source currency like ours is super important, and we're proud to have one of the largest. So how many inhabitants do you think Barcelona has? The correct answer is 1.6 million people. So imagine 800,000 people, how many people that is. Verge currency understands the needs of education in order to introduce cryptocurrency to everyone, also the younger generation. And it's my pleasure to introduce you to Danny. He is from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Although he's only 9 years old, he has an amazing 5-year track of racing. In the last 12 months alone, he has experienced 104 racing days of which the last 30 days he won 16 of them. Danny is one of our youngest community members who believes in privacy, and this is his way to help us reach more people. And he wanted to help without getting any compensation for it. So in the early days of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, its initial users were only a handful of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. For a long time it was believed that cryptocurrencies will naturally be adopted, but it doesn't work like that. We have to make it easy for people, for businesses to accept cryptocurrencies and to make it a daily payment method. So the first step towards mass adoption begins with you. You have to, whenever a friend of you asks you to pay him back, ask them to pay you back in crypto, explain to them how it works, how they can store it, send it, and get it further adopted step by step. Another way is through ATMs. There are two different kinds of ATMs. You have one-way ATMs and two-way ATMs. One-way ATMs allows for buying with cash or cards, while two-way ATMs allow for buying and selling at the same machine. There are many great projects that are already using the ATMs, such as Bitnovo here in Spain. Another thing you need for businesses to accept cryptocurrency are payment gateways. Payment gateways allows businesses to accept payments through their e-commerce store. And they really focus on the online aspect of shopping with extensions and plugins for major e-commerce stores like Shopify or WooCommerce. To have businesses on board with accepting cryptocurrencies, there needs to be an easy way for them to accept it and work with it. The major challenge in payment gateways is that there are many projects out there that only allow you to convert the crypto to Bitcoin, but then you need to transfer the Bitcoin to another platform to have it sent to your bank account. So that's a major challenge at the moment. Another important development for cryptocurrency will be cryptocurrency debit and credit cards, as it would allow for instant mass adoption. So if they were powered by a network, for example, like MasterCard or Visa, all the existing payment integrations will be ready to accept cryptocurrencies in general. So whenever you go to any store like Carrefour, MediaMarkt, it doesn't matter, you can pay with a credit or debit card over there. So really excited to reveal that we've signed an agreement with NetSense Technology Incorporated, a public company listed on the Canadian Security Exchange. And NetSense Technology Incorporated is a transactional hub for cryptocurrency payments. They've built out an entire ecosystem to facilitate the adoption of cryptocurrency as daily transactional currency for both customers and merchants. NetSense and Verge will be working together for mass adoption with a special project, and there they will reach out to 1 million businesses to begin accepting cryptocurrencies, and Verge will be with that project as well, working together towards mass adoption. Besides that, they have an entire ecosystem such as payment gateways. They have a credit card upcoming. We will be excited to, we're working together to be fully integrated, if possible, with them within a short amount of time. So in the beginning of this year, we partnered with MindGeek. And MindGeek is has one of the largest website portfolios out there, with 150 million visitors a day and 3 billion impressions. They integrated Verge to be one of their payment solutions, payment methods. So whenever anyone wants to pay for one of the services, they can do so with Verge, instead of using their credit card. It allows for many people outside of crypto to see a cryptocurrency being accepted, and will make people curious to know how it works and what it is. So we're also excited to share that we are working together with Swiss Crypto Exchange to have Verge integrated. The Swiss Crypto Exchange will be the first regulated Swiss crypto exchange platform that is made specifically for institutional investors. It currently has a team of 22 staff members in Zurich and Europe, including some of the most prominent IT and blockchain people. Together, their head of their chairman of the board is the former head of a Swiss exchange. So we have some upcoming things. We will have a new code base, which will include the last Bitcoin code, version 17. We will have RSK smart contracts integrated together with an iOS app that will facilitate privacy on the go. And we will have many more things to share in the future. I'm really excited to be here. Thank you for your attention.